like so much people and they can bring out engines. No, I don't know. Try out
Yeah, cool. That's what I wanted to hear.
Just want to get you guys to just jump over here, and then I'll get these two guys in the front row.
You need help, darling? You need help? Come here. Come here, big fella. Yeah.
You guys out the front row come first.
Sure.
You right? What an experience, eh? You're right, mate.
Here, and then up the front seat there for us.